Thank you. Thank you so much for visiting my membership program. I've been wanting to do this for years, literally for years, but I haven't had the resources to offer it, and I finally do. So here's what the membership program basically entails. It's pretty simple. I'm giving you a weekly call where we can do a Q&A every week, where you can ask me questions on the phone or online. So it's that direct access that some people really like to have, where you can call me up and ask me a question, and you know where I'll be and when I'll be there. And you just get in the queue, ask your question, I'll answer as many as I can, as deeply as I can every week. Because you know what? I'm just not good at answering questions by email. But connecting on the phone and in a group together, I love that. I love to share. So that's what we're doing. You'll also get those weekly recordings in the form of a download and a podcast, so you can listen to them whether you're there to ask a question or not. Once a month, I'm going to invite someone that I admire to join us, and we'll ask that author, that person, that teacher questions, and really dig deep into their work and get to know them. And I'm really looking forward to that. That's going to be fun. Now, another main thing is you're going to get big discounts on my audio programs and things like that. So for instance, I have CDs that are $44 for the workshop. In the membership program, you'll probably save more than 1 month membership cost if you just buy one program. So if you are someone who really likes to buy the things that I've been offering to have as part of your library, you're going to save a lot of money through this membership program. I'm also dreaming up some things that we can do together, and I don't even want to tell you about them. I'm pretty excited about what we're cooking up, and we're also going to take your suggestions of what you would like me to offer you in the ways that you would like to connect with me. So how wonderful is that? We're making it as very bottom bones, low cost as we can make it to cover our expenses. I'm inviting you to join us. Everything you need to get started is right here. Give us a try. Try it for 1 month. If you don't like it, you cancel. You're out. I think you're going to like it though. And I'm designing it so that it really is reflecting what you would like me to offer you. So come on in and give us your feedback. Come on in and join with like-minded individuals who are doing the deep practice together. We're living that love, baby, and you're part of it. Thank you.